All right, y'all. Day by day, I feel like I'm getting better and better and better, day by day. All right. Pretty good feeling to know that I'm improving, even though like a lot of people think that in order to improve, you need to start seeing profits, which I am. I am seeing profits, but I feel like I'm more excited about me actually getting the concept right. That's why whenever I lose these trades and I barely get wicked, I'm not too mad about it because I know I had the right concept and I ended up like even the losing trades I would have won it if my stop loss wasn't as tight. So let's look at it real quick. I'm sorry for the late upload, by the way. I had like no time today. Here, let me just full screen it. Damn, I have my stream overlay up. Hold on. My bad. Yeah, I used to stream on Kick. Drifty3 if y'all want to check it out. Uh yeah, but three trades today. That we took. Two wins, one loss. Actually, there was four trades. Oh my god, I shouldn't have even taken the fourth one. I lost it wasn't like nothing. I risked point 0.3 lot size. I literally lost nothing, but still it was like I literally did it on my phone when I was walking to class. That was one thing I was really mad about taking that trade. It was dumb. No discipline on my end. But other than that, it was a really, really, really clean day. Again, bearish. Bias should always be bearish if you're trading forex, Euro USD, at least for this week and maybe a little bit, maybe like most of next as well, because the elections price is just gonna dump because, like I said, economy is good. That means Euro USD is bad. If US dollar is doing good, Euro USD. I always freaking lag in my videos, bro. If like I said, if Euro USD does good, U.S. economy is doing bad. If U.S. economy is doing good, Euro USD is doing bad. So knowing that, our bias is bearish. This was a perfect price action setup for us today. Look at how beautiful that is. Like this is like, if you don't, even if you don't trade, if you're completely new to trading, it's just so obvious you could predict what would happen today. Um, let's actually go through it though. So this is a 4 hour. We're looking at it right. Perfect bearish order market flow. Weekend highs are over there. Um, and then if we zoom in closer, this was market open at 7 a.m. So 7 a.m. is when I do my analysis. 7:30 analysis, and then 8 probably I'll try to look for some setups. So coming in during that like 7 to 7:30 a.m. macro time, we can see that we're kind of consolidating here, and we can tell it's the end of the retracement. Because we took what London highs right here. Let me zoom in for you. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's zoom in. What do I always emphasize? And what does ICT always emphasize? It has to have a buy side liquidity sweep for a point of reversal to happen. And make sure it's a major liquidity sweep. The bigger the liquidity sweep is, the bigger the move is going to be down. Okay, so a London session high, that's a past session high. That's a big liquidity sweep. If you sweep a past session high, that's considered a big liquidity sweep. So we sweep that with the CPI candle, but just for good measure, we sweep it again, right? We take out some more sellers here, take out some more stop losses. Always know if stop losses are lying because they're not just going to give you a sweep and move down immediately. If it did that, everybody would be fucking rich. They're gonna take out some stop losses for people who tried to get the move down right after the first liquidity sweep. So that happens, right? And then what do we look for? Again, displacement. Right after liquidity sweep, we look for displacement. So we have what? What does it form after? A big price dump here. What does it form? Let me remember how I entered off these. Let's see. Sorry, this was in the morning, so I'm trying to remember why I entered off. Okay, yeah. So after it consolidates a little bit, it makes an imbalance here, but this is a 1 minute. And what do I also like to see? A 5 minute market structure shift. So what do we get here? You can barely see it right here. I'm hovering over it. We get a 5 minute market structure shift right here. And luckily, what does that also create? A 5 minute fair value gap. Let me go into the 5 minute time frame. This is a lot cleaner. 5 minute fair value gap right here, where my mouse is hovering at. At the same time, that gives us a 5 minute market structure shift. So that's a perfect place to enter because you get a liquidity sweep, displacement, and a retracement back into a 5 minute fair value gap zone after it does a market structure shift. 5 minute right here, and a 15 minute 5 minute market structure down there. So let's go into the 1 minute and see it actually play out. Yeah, okay. So I did enter in the 5 minute fair value gap, but I trade forex and the spread was insane because obviously today was news. I trade on PPI. I don't trade on CPI or unemployment. I do trade on PPI. So volatility was kind of going crazy today. So that's why the spread was kind of high. Entered me down here, all the way I entered up here. Kind of fucked up my risk to reward, but regardless, stop loss was still above the second candle, or like below the second candle. So wasn't too greedy, but my stop loss could have been a little bit higher, I guess. But it worked out. Yeah, let me show y'all that I actually took the trade. I always like to show y'all close position. So this was 1.06284, and we sold 1.06284. You can see right here we sold, and that was for 53 bucks. Second trade, you can say it was that we bought at 1.06076 for 15 bucks. I know these weren't a lot of profits, but one thing I was really proud of was I actually saw market flow. You can tell because I was selling here, buying here. It wasn't just straight sell, sell, sell. I literally like saw the market flow. That's something I was proud of this video. So I entered off of here because what, a big imbalance after that bearish market dump. We got a bunch of 15-minute for value gaps here, a bunch of imbalance zones. And because of that, I knew we were going to retrace a little bit, and I caught it on a really, really small retracement. Like I said, takes out those short-term highs on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute it takes it out, and okay, 5 minute it didn't actually take it out. That's why this trade was really, really short. I didn't have a huge RR because I didn't have a 5 minute market structure shift. I had a 1 minute, 2 minute, and 3 minute. So what does it do again? Breaks market structure shift, short-term highs here, creates a fair value gap imbalance, and then retraces back in that zone, and then shoots up to a 50-minute fair value gap zone. Okay, after that, dumps back down. I'm still waiting for a big retracement, right? And we kind of get one, but this one we lost here, right? So this one wasn't really a clean, this wasn't really too clean price action. Obviously we get a liquidity sweep down here. I'll just show y'all. I didn't mark it out, but we get liquidity sweeps down here, right? We get this liquidity sweep right here. This was like old lows, so that's a major point of liquidity. And because of that, I'm anticipating some sort of bullish retracement. And what do I always look for after a liquidity sweep? Displacement. And what do we get? Displacement right here, and we get a fair value gap in this little zone, right? First candle, second candle, third candle. And honestly, I'd like to take fair value gaps where it's 3 consecutive candles up or down, and this is 1 bullish, 2 bullish, 3 bearish. This is a bearish candle. That's why I waited to see if these candles would reject and respect that fair value gap, and I saw that it was doing so with these 3 candles. That's why I entered off this bearish candle. But unfortunately, my stop loss, again, I got risky, I got greedy. 1 to 8.5 RR is insane. It's insane to hit. I got way too greedy. I should have put my stop loss further down, maybe on top of this candle, knowing that market volatility was really, really bad. But I didn't, and because of that, we got stomped out of this trade. But regardless, we would have won it, and that's all that matters. I'm not really focused on the money right now. I'm focused on whether I am getting the concept right or not. Okay, so yeah, let me show you. I'll take that trade too. That was around like 1.05692, 1.05691. Yeah, so proof that I took the trade here. We're still up for the week, like 40 bucks or something. Yeah, man, solid day at the office. Still, we lost trade, but that really doesn't matter. Like where I'm at right now, I feel like I'm getting better every single day, and that's all that matters. I can taste it. I can like literally grasp it. But I know I have to stay humble because who knows? Maybe next week I'll just go on a fucking slump and I won't even know what I'm doing the next week. So I mean that's really how unpredictable this shit is. But at least I'm getting a little bit more, I feel like. But yeah, I'm sorry for the late upload. Yeah, that was my trade recap for today. I won't be training tomorrow. We'll be training on Friday. And also, before I go, I know somebody asked me for a Discord. Let me know if y'all would actually like join that Discord. It wouldn't be any like promoting a course or anything. Obviously, it was just for me to like talk to y'all. Obviously, I'm not the best trader. I'm gonna have people who are probably better than me at trading there. I just want to like talk, make a community, see what everybody's going through, struggling with, doing good on, helping each other, and yeah, hopefully I can build like a little small community, man. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. That was my trade recap. If y'all have any questions, comment down below. I'll always answer them, bro. Peace out. God bless and stay safe.